Hello, my name is Mohit Goyal and today I am here to talk about why one of my skill test project, which is Stopwatch, that is created using JavaScript. And this is a project of Coding Ninja skill test, which is skill test 1. So basically I have created this project using HTML, CSS and JavaScript, where there is a asset folder which where there are three buttons which are pause, play and reset, which is for playing, pausing and resetting our this project. So in this index.html I am using Bootstrap CSS for a better look, and there is an internal CSS which is style.css. I have also linked it to the HTML. So this is the body part where I have created a div that is class of my stopwatch, which is used in CSS and also for JavaScript. So this is the title of my stopwatch. Let me show you my stopwatch first, then I can explain the code. So this is my stopwatch where I have created this title as a Mohit stopwatch, and this is the timer. When I click on play button, then automatically it refers to pause button and the timer starts. So if I stop the whole timer, then automatically it count as 0, and again I have play and pause, so it will automatically pause with play button, and play button also become a play, and then pause and play. So this is all about my project looks and user interface. So this is a timer with the ID of display. This is used in a JavaScript. So this is a let me show you the with code. So this is my title, and this is a timer, and there is a div of class circle. So this is a class circle and there is a timer. So timer will change according to the JavaScript function, and there is a controller part where I have created a button, play button, pause button and reset button. Initially I have hide the disable the pause button. So I am only using pause button as a part of the when I play stopwatch, then it will automatically display the pause button. And there is a reset button. So this is also a reset button where it will reset all the timer. And there is an external JavaScript which is this, and the style is this. So I have created the colors, firstly primary, secondary and blue and red. So blue is the container part, and yellow is a body part and a text part. So I have set the body color and font as a font Proxima Nova, and this is Vardhana. So my font family is Proxima Nova, and color is black, and background color is secondary, which is yellow. So this is a container I have created using CSS, and there is a H1 title where the font family is Monstera and sans serif, and font weight also. And this is a circle where I've created, this is a diff circle. So this is a time, and this is a yellow, and font weight is equals to 900, and text shadow this is, and this is a controller part and a button part where button, when I hover on the button, then it will automatically set the cursor as a pointer. So this is button, and initially I have created play button as a display block, and pause button is display none. And this is the responsive screen for mobile, where maximum width I have set for 720, and there is a H1 and all over the thing. And come to the JavaScript. Firstly I have convert the time to string in a format of hour, minutes and second and millisecond. So this is my time, and I am divided time by 3,60,000 and converted into math flow, and also for minutes and second and millisecond, and formatted my minutes, second and millisecond as to string, and return the formatted minutes, second and millisecond. And I have declared the variable that are used in my function. So this is my declared variable which is start time, eclipse time and time interval. And then I've created a function to modify my inner HTML. So basically inner HTML is this, the timer. Whenever I click on button, then it will change the timer, change the inner HTML of my watch. And then I have created three functions for start, pause, and reset. Where start function tells that we have started our project. So start button is nothing but a start function of my stopwatch. And then there is a show button. So whenever I play on whenever I click on play button, then it will automatically show me a pause button, where I've created a show button function here. So in this show button, when I press the button key play, then it will change my button play to pause button, and button to head will change my button play pause button to play button. And initially I have a button to show style as a display as a block, and button to hide style as a none. And also I have created a event listener where play button get the ID from the document, where the play button ID btn ID is this, and pause button this, and reset button is this. So this is my event listener when I've created here. And whenever play button get event listener, then it will click and start, and then pause and reset. So this is all about my function of button. And then there is a pause button. There is a pause function where I have cleared all the interval, and automatically whenever I pause, then it will show me a show button. And also there is a function of reset button. In this reset button, I have cleared timer and print this text, and time will be 0, and display the show button. Let me show you. Then whenever I click on play button, then it will start that timer, and if I press the reset button, then it will automatically show me the play button. So this is all about this. So sir, thank you so much. And this is the project that is created using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript.